Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. As you can see here, that it had the brand new 250 V8 Mercury Verados. It's a beautiful blue hull with the matching underside gel coat and the hard top. The boat's equipped with the 12-volt cockpit refrigerator, Corian countertop, got a freshwater sprayer here, shower in the back, nice big transom seat for your guests. It comes high up on your back, and the award-winning patent design here on this multi-faceted seat that we can lounge in multitude of directions. It's very comfortable if passengers want to lounge forward, backwards while you're cruising, all under the hardtop and below this windshield. The boat's equipped with a Marine VHF radio, smart craft gauges, as well as the brand new 12-inch Axiom Pro screen. Move forward. This also has a bow table, a filler cushion to make a sun pad up in the front, another freshwater shower, and then a nicely equipped storage and head area down here with the teak, synthetic teak flooring, vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge, as well as another freshwater hand basin. Guys, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.